Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandra Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to install lightning arrestor on building. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. How to install lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor, rod surge arrestor or lightning conductor are metal rod installed on a building for lightning protection. They protect structure or substation from the traveling wave of lightning and divert the abnormally high voltage to the ground. They are made from copper and brass alloy which are good conductor of electricity and has very high ground coverage up to 60 meters. A lightning arrestor generally has three parts. First part, a rod of about 3 feet in length and 12 to 16 millimeter in diameter. Second part, a spike bolt receiver which make it easy to attach one end of the rod. Third part, a copper coated brushes plate that is screwed to the ground and on which the rod is easily fitted. The lightning arrestor are installed at the highest elevation roof of the building. This is connected to the copper tape. This helps to take the current from the thunder arrestor to the thunder mat. The copper tape is clipped to the wall by the copper clip and nailed with copper nail. At the end of the copper tape is the copper mat which is the connected to the copper rods. In the absence of copper rods, a galvanized rod can be used. Then a hole is dug about 4 feet below the foundation of the house. Then the earth mat attached to the earthing rod is sunk till earth mat is only visible component on the ground. Then add your industrial salt and your charcoal. The layer of charcoals and salt help to maintain low resistance for earthfall current because of the ionic behavior of salt and charcoal. They will maintain moisture. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.